The thermostat, I commanded the thermostat to turn the heat off. The system is completely off, but this motor does not stop running. So we need to understand why this motor is not stopping running, although we have commanded the system to turn the heat on. This motor only comes on when the thermostat commands the system to turn the heat, so then it could exhaust the carbon monoxide outside. But obviously this is not stopping. There's an issue with it.